How to upgrade on Xiamen Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can upgrade on Xiamen Airlines. So how do you upgrade? You can upgrade through different ways, alright? You have few options, and some of these options include online upgrade, paid upgrade at check-in, or using egress miles. So by making use of online upgrades, the first step would be for you to visit the Xiamen airline website and then log in into your account. How do you log in? Once you're on the website page, go to the top right corner where you can see the option log in into your account. Once you are logged in into your account, you'll be taken to your account page. On this page, locate the My Trip option and then click on it. Once you click on My Trip, instead of what you can see on my screen here, that is ticket number, last name, and the likes, you will see all of your trips. So you select the trip that you'd like to upgrade. When you selected the trip, you'll be taken to the flight details page, and then locate the upgrade option on the page and follow the prompts and your flight will be upgraded. It is very simple. Just ensure you log in and the rest will be easy peasy. The other method, another way to upgrade is by paying for an upgrade at the airport. You can upgrade from economic to business class for $500 or from business to first class for $500. Or you can even upgrade directly from economy to first class for $1,000 at the check-in counter at the airport. Xiamen Airlines allows this, so you can just wait until when you get to the airport and you'll do that. But the disadvantage of waiting until the airport is if the class you are trying to upgrade to is filled up, you won't be allowed. Okay, it would be allowed, so it is best to do it as soon as you can. And then lastly, the next way you can upgrade is by making use of egress miles. But this is possible if you are already a member of Xiamen Airlines egress miles program. So if you're already a member, you can redeem your miles for upgrade. Alright, so you can just visit the egress miles session by clicking on egress miles, and then once you visit the session on the page on the website, you'll be able to check your availability, check through the redemption process, and from there you can use it to upgrade your account or upgrade your flight. Sorry. So that's it. This is basically it. This is how to go about it. Thank you for watching and go ahead to upgrade that flight now. Have a good day.